Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to our beginners video series. So in this episode, we are going to see how to play white noise on your iPhone or iPad. Navigate to the control center and then select the background sounds, which you can see like an ear-shaped icon. That is the control that lets you to access the white noise or the background sounds section. So if you're not seeing this ear-shaped icon, then you need to tap and hold. Right now I'm using iOS 18. If you're using iOS 17 or earlier versions, then you need to access the control center from going to the settings application and then navigate inside the control center, and here you will see the list of options. Right now with iOS 18, which will be officially released by end of September to all compatible iPhone and iPad models, they have moved this setting to the control center where you can access it from this option. So if you're not seeing this control, tap and hold here and select the add a control, and here from search controls you need to search for background sounds, which you can find it under the hearing accessibility control. It is available as a default one. You can just simply tap and access all the background sounds available. The list of sounds readily available, which is also referred as white noise on iPhone. This specific feature is something most underrated, and many people are not using it. If you're very much confused and stressed, we normally go to listen to our favorite music. Sometimes we don't want to listen to our music and we just want to stay idle or take a quick nap in order to clear our thoughts, to reduce our stress and overthinking. In such cases, if you have headphones or AirPods, then navigate to this control center background section and try any white noise that is available, the background sounds that are available on your iPhone or iPad. Set the volume here, and even if you lock the screen, it will continuously play on your iPhone speaker, and you don't have to use the headphone also. But for better experience, you can use your headphone if you're comfortable with. And when you tap on the background sounds settings, it will take you to the settings accessibility background sounds, and it will show you all the options available. You can select how much the noise volume should be and whether it should continuously play when you are playing the media or not, and whether it should stop playing when you lock the iPhone or not. I'm a big fan of this rain sound, so I'm just going to select the rain, and you need to turn on the background sounds and it immediately starts playing the rain sound. I can of course change it here or from the control center. So this is the sound of ocean, and this the sound of a stream, the water stream, and the night sound, fire, whichever helps you to calm yourself down and stops you from overthinking. Music is a very powerful tool that is available to help with us in such times when we are so stressed or depressed. You can try this background sounds if you're not feeling to listen to any regular music that you normally listen to. Do check this out and let me know in the comment section how the overall experience goes. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.